Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Hey Logistics, where we'll be teaching you how to request for freight after your packages has been delivered to any of our warehouse facilities. Before this step, you must have been a registered user, and then you must have clicked on Get Address, which you used for your shopping, and then you must have use the alert warehouse button, which tells the warehouse that your package is coming in, and then it makes your shipping process faster. So, on this particular episode, we'll be teaching you on how to request for freight. You can do this by logging into the dashboard as a registered user. Once you request for freight, that is when your package will be sent from the warehouse down to its final destination. So, first things first, you want to be able to sign in into your dashboard. So, here um, we'll be using already registered email address. So we'll be using the test email address, which is this, and we'll input our password. We'll log into the platform, and then we're now at the dashboard. If you're a first time user, you need to make use of the get address, then alert warehouse. But if you've already done these two parts, you need to come to request freight. Once you're here, this is where you'll be able to request your freight. You click on freight booking. Once you click on freight booking, you input your details. You need to be able to fill out all these informations. Yeah, input your details, your address, where you want your package to be delivered, and your phone number as well, and then your email address. Remember, these are test profile, so we're using just any email address. But when you're filling your information, you need to use your own email that you used when you signed up. So in this section, you have to explain what is in your package that you're expecting. So if your package contains shoe, clothes, and toys, you could write everything out here, and then you say the value of your item, maybe like $1,000. Now, if you want to insure your items while they are being shipped to Nigeria or anywhere you want, you could put standard or premium. But if you do not want insurance, you just have to click in none. Now, if you want us to deliver to your doorstep, you click on door to door. But if you would like to pick up from any of our uh, pickup center, you can click on office pickup. If this is your first time shipping with Hager Logistics, you can click yes. But if this is not your first time, you click no. So for here, we're going to click yes. Once you're here, this determines if you want your shipment to be done by air or by ocean. So if you want it to be shipped to Nigeria or any of your country by air, you click air. If you want ocean anything, you could click on the ocean. Now, any shipping instructions that you have, maybe like you're expecting one more package while you're filling this, you could say, please wait for my last shipment before shipping out. Give a date. Give a date when the shipment is coming in. This helps the warehouse team understand what you want, and then you click submit. Once that is done, you'll be given an instant tracking number. Make sure you copy this instant tracking number somewhere safe, because this number is what you'll be using to track your packages as they arrive at the warehouse. So you come to request freight, you can see where you filled out this information, and then if you want to track your package as well to be sure that the shipment process has started. You come to tracking, you input your tracking details, and then you click track to tell you the current status of your package. So that will be all on how to request for freight. Watch out for the next episode on how to do other amazing things on Hey Logistics. Thank you.